Good morning, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Jahida. I want to sing our good morning song. Ready? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, room 4. Good morning to you. Now in Spanish. Buenos días, usted. Buenos días, usted. Buenos días, room 4. Buenos días, usted. All right. Now I want to review our poem we've been using all week, okay? Do you remember the title of the story? It's called A Tree My Size. This tree is wide. Show me wide with your hands. This tree is tall. Show me tall with your hands. This tree is thin. Show me thin with your hands. This tree is small. Show me small with your hands. Beautiful trees I see with my eyes, but the one I like best is exactly my size. See the picture of the girl and the tree? They are the same size. All right. Now, we're going to look at a picture of a plant, okay? Let's see if you can see it. Sorry for that. Okay. I wrote down the word. I wrote plant. Right here, plant. It begins with a P. I drew a nice, beautiful plant. I don't have a plant at home, but you can look at a picture, okay? If you have a plant at home, I want you to look at it as well. Have mommy or daddy or whoever is watching you hold it, and I want you to answer the question of the day, okay? And this is the question of the day. Let me see, right there. All right. When we start reading, do we start at the left or the right? The left. The top or the bottom? The top. And it always begins with a capital letter. It says, are you bigger or smaller than this plant? Answer yes or no. I want to know if you're bigger or smaller than this plant, or if you have a plant at home, compare your sizes. All right, make sure mommies and daddies message either Miss Evie or Miss Jahida, okay? All right. So now we're going to review our tree chart right here, okay? And I have some pictures that I printed out as well. As you see right here, these are the roots. Right here is a picture of a tree with its roots sticking out on the ground. Do you see that? It's roots, and it begins with a R. All right. Now let's see the next one. This part is the trunk of the tree, okay? But did you know that the outer part of the tree, like the skin of the tree, is called a bark? Bark with a B, a bark. And on this part, these are called branches, okay? Branches. This is a picture of a branch. Do you see that? Branch with a B. Now the branches, what will we find? Sticks. You see that? Sticks. These are different types of sticks. They do not all look the same. I'm pretty sure you've seen this in the park before as well, or on the ground where you're walking home or walking to school. They fall off from the trees. Another thing that falls off from the trees, what is this called, boys and girls? These are called leaves. They're come yellow or green or red or different types of colors. Do you see this? It's leaves. These are yellow and green and reddish colors. And sometimes they're brown and the wind blows them away. And the outer part of the leaves, or outer part of the top of the tree, is called a crown. Crown with a C. Alrighty then. We looked at different pictures of different parts of trees. At home, I want you to review them with mommy and daddy, and also look at different types of trees. And I want to know, which is one of my questions for a KWL chart, okay? This is just the beginning of it, okay? It says, What do you know about trees? I want to know, what do you know about trees? Do you know the different parts of trees? Do you know how trees grow? Do you know how big they are? How do you take care of them? What type of person takes care of trees? Is a special doctor that takes care of trees. If you know what they are, let me know. Message it to the girls can message it to me and the boys can message it to Miss Evie, all right? We would like your answers so we can combine them, all right? And we can share it with our friends because we're all here to learn. All righty then. I'll see you later.